Hello students, let's start with the next topic from lesson 1 and it was couple. What is a couple? Suppose if I want to open the cap of this bottle, can we open using one force? Can I open it using one force? Maybe at any point. I can't open this cap or open or close this cap using one single force. So I need two forces. So couple means we need two forces. One over here and the other one on the opposite side. So we are using two forces. Which I am applying on the opposite direction. So two forces on opposite direction and they are equal. So I am applying two forces, one on this side and the other one on the opposite side, and these two are equal and opposite. So one I am applying equal and opposite to open the cap. So we are applying two forces of equal magnitude, two equal and opposite forces. So what are the conditions to open a cap or to close the cap? We have to apply two equal and opposite forces. Suppose, let us take the example of any body. Now I want to turn this, open the cap or the tap, whatever it is. So one force is acting over here and the other one in the opposite direction. So we are using two forces, one over here and the other one. So one is acting in one direction and the other one is acting in the opposite direction. So the point where we are applying the force is called as point of action of force, and a line, imaginary line drawn at point of action of force, is called line of action of force. So this is the line of action of force. So with respect to this, one force is acting clockwise direction and here. So because of this, the object, the rigid body will start rotating either clock or anti-clock. Depends on the direction we are using these two forces. So now coming to the definition of couple, a couple is two equal and opposite forces acting on, where these two forces are acting? On two different lines of action of force. So these are the two different lines of action of force. The two forces are not acting on the same line, either here or here. They are acting on two different lines of action of force. Now coming to the conclusion, what is a couple now? Clearly, two equal and opposite forces acting on two different lines of action of force constitute a couple. Two equal and opposite forces acting on two different lines of action of force constitute a couple. Okay? So the distance between these two forces is called your perpendicular distance now. So this is the perpendicular distance between the two forces, two different lines of action of force. Okay? So now after couple, now we'll move on to the moment of couple. So what is this moment of couple? So moment of couple is nothing but the product of force and perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance between two forces or between two different lines of action of force. Now instead of this, we will write one single word like the distance between the two forces, the distance between two different lines of action of force is called arm of couple. So what is the perpendicular distance between the two forces called? Arm of couple. So now instead of this perpendicular distance between two forces, we will write moment of couple is a product of force into arm of couple. Force into arm of couple. Now let us talk about the units in SI system. What are the units of force in SI system? Same like yesterday we have seen moment of force. For moment of force, units are Newton meter. Here also the same. For force, units are Newton. for distance, arm of couple is nothing but the perpendicular distance between two forces. So for distance, SI units are meter. So what are the units for moment of couple in SI system? Means Newton meter. Now we want the relation in CGS system. 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes, and 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power of 2 centimeter. So now let us substitute these two in this one Newton meter. So 1 Newton meter is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes into 10 to the power of 2 centimeter. So you will add the powers as bases are same. So 10 power 7 dyne centimeter. So what is the relation between SI and CGS unit of moment of couple or moment of force? Is same. So because they are having the same units. SI unit is Newton meter and CGS unit is dyne centimeter, and the relation between SI and CGS unit is 1 Newton meter is equal to 10 to the power of 7 dyne centimeter. So these are the units of couple. So what is the definition of couple? Two equal and opposite forces acting on two different lines of action of force. These lines are called line of action of force. So these two forces are acting on two different lines of action of force. So two equal and opposite forces acting on two different lines of action of force constitute a couple. Next, moving on to moment of couple. Moment of couple is a product of force into arm of couple. What is arm of couple? Arm of couple is the distance between the two different lines of action of force. Force into arm of couple is called moment of force, moment of couple. Next, coming on to the SI units, Newton meter. Force is having Newton as unit and arm of couple is nothing but the distance, so it will be meter. So SI units are Newton meter and CGS unit will be dyne centimeter. If you want the relation between Newton meter and dyne centimeter, it means SI and CGS unit, then we will use this calculation. 1 Newton means 10 power 5 dynes, 1 meter is equal to 10 power 2 centimeter, it's 100 centimeter. So let us substitute it here, we will get 10 power 7 dyne centimeter. Generally in exam, in ICSE board exam, they will be asking you either to define couple or moment of couple or arm of couple, or there is a chance of asking the numerical using this formula. Let us see one of the previous question in 2004 from the board exam. They have asked you the question from this formula. Using this formula, we will do one numerical now. There are two forces, each of 5 newtons. Two forces, they have given this diagram also. Two forces, one is of 5 newtons and the other one is also of 5 newtons. They are equal, opposite and acting on two different lines of action of force. Okay, so this is the diagram what they gave you in 2014. Now let us go ahead. Two forces, each of 5 Newton, act vertically upward and vertically downwards respectively on the two ends of a uniform meter rod. So this is a meter rod, means 0 to 100 centimeter. So center of it will be 50 centimeter. We know that. Two ends of a meter rod which placed at a midpoint as shown in the diagram. So it was placed at the midpoint, means fixed at the midpoint as shown in the figure. Determine the resultant moment of forces about the midpoint. Resultant forces. Because of these two forces, we have to determine the moment. Nothing but this formula, moment of couple is equal to force into arm of couple. What is your force? 5 Newton. Any of this, two are same, equal forces of same magnitude into arm of couple. Arm of couple is the distance between two forces, distance between these two forces, total distance. As they have given you already that it was a meter rule, means the total distance is 1 meter. 5 Newton into 1 meter, that is equal to 5 Newton meter. So the resultant moment of couple is 5 Newton meter. Okay. So this 5 Newton meter is in which direction it was moving now? Because of this one, and second force. It was moving, resultant force is in anti-clockwise direction. So the resultant moment of couple is in anti-clockwise direction. So this is the method, or this is the model what they have asked in 2014 regarding moment of couple. So let me conclude today's class. What is a couple? Couple is two equal and opposite forces acting on two different lines of action of force constitute a couple. Moving on to moment of couple. Moment of couple is a product of force into arm of couple, or the perpendicular distance between the two forces. The perpendicular distance between two forces is also called as arm of couple. Therefore, it is the product of force and arm of couple. The units are, SI units is Newton meter and CGS units are dyne centimeter. Relation between these two is 1 Newton meter is equal to 10 to the power of 7 dyne centimeter, as we have seen earlier. And there will be a model of asking numerical regarding to this formula. So they will give you the information of the two forces and the perpendicular distance. Maybe directly or indirectly they will give the information of the force and the distance. So force into arm of couple, you will get the resultant moment of couple. And finally we can find the resultant moment of couple, whether it is in clockwise or anti-clockwise, by seeing the direction of forces. Two equal and opposite forces. Here they are constituting moment of couple in anti-clockwise direction. So this is what about couple, moment of couple, arm of couple and related numericals.